Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do another question in which you can see the root of 4 power 10 divide 4 power 10 divide 4 power 10 divide 4 power 10. It means here 1 2 3 4 number power 10 repeated 4 times, and it is not a square root, it is a 4 root. It means it's a 4, not square. 4 root of this number. So how to find this value? So now in first step you can see this 4. First of all we will solve these two terms. First two terms, 4 power 10, 4 power 10, both are the same. So if you divide these two numbers you will get the answer 1. Okay, now the remaining this portion we will write as it is. In the next step, this is 1 divided by 4. Can we write like this? In form, divide form, ratio form, and this divide we will write. Then after that you can see this 1 by 4 raised to the power 10 and this divide change into the multiply sign, and the second term will do the reciprocal of the second term. If you change the sign divide into the multiply, so this term will convert into the divide reciprocal form. So 4 upon 10, it will be just opposite. Here the 1 is goes to up and 4 raised to the power 10 goes to down because sign will be changed. Now you can see 4 power 10 and 4 power 10. So it is base are same, so power should be added. 10 plus 10 is 20. We are using the law of exponent. Which law? Suppose the base are same. Base are same. So it answer is power should be added. Power should be added. Now you can see 4 root of 1 upon 4 power 20. Now see this 1 upon 4 raised to the power 20. Can we write this 4 2 square? Can we write this 4 2 square? And power is 20. So it will remain same. Power remains same. Now after that, this 2 multiply by 20. Again use the exponent law. Which law? We are using here a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. So 2 into 20, we will multiply both the powers, power to power. So we will multiply. So it will be a 22 ja 40. Okay. Now see how to cancel out this 4 root. So for this 2 power 40, this 40 can we write 2 power 5. 2 power 5. Can we write 2 power 10 whole power 4, because 10 4 is 40. So we will write in another way 2 power 40, 2 raised to the power 10 whole power 4. Now this 4 root is cancel out this 4 power. So it will be cancel out. So remaining is 1 upon 2 power 10. Now see 1 upon 2 power 10. This 1 upon 2 power 10, the answer is, there are so many answers. In another way, first way is 2 power minus 10, or if you convert in the decimal, so your answer is 0.0007 0.0097, or 1 upon 2 raised to the power 10. If you expand this to 10 times, so your answer is 1 upon 1024. So these are the 3 answers. You can write any one answer. So the easiest answer is 2 raised to the power minus. These are the 3 answers, and you can write any one answer. If you want to do easy answer, so only write 2 raised to the power minus 10 and 1 upon 1024. So hope you have understood this problem sum, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching.